This one like to be touched, and this that one he doesn't want to be touched. And they both just to love it on my lap. Too much love. Is just what bot needs. So in that yellow one, there is a poo. So first of all, we clean that one totally clean. Then only we put food. We serve food to birds. And this green one is also little dirty. So we have to wash the poo first. Then we put the food for the birds to eat. And that homemade little box is useful because pigeon birds they cannot poo inside the food, and inside it is the food and it's eating the food. Pigeon is eating the food. And this one is very naughty. This one only like only love to eat on my lap. And clean water is also very essential, is very important. If you can give clean water all the time, then there is less chance that your bird will get sick. So please always try to give clean, very clean water. As we people drink water, clean water, we should provide both a very clean water and a clean food. So here is just a food.